Dear students, in this video we are discussing the continuation of the previous video. Previous video we learned that the agri sector continues to be the largest employer even now. It means the shift in the production sector happened, but the employment level did not happen. What was the reason for it? Maybe in agri sector more than sufficient people are working there. Otherwise, everyone not fully employed. That means even if a few people move out of agriculture, production will not be affected. This kind of employment is called disguised unemployment. Disguised unemployment means the worker or the producer unable to use his potential energy in production. The labor is not use his potential energy in work. It is called disguised unemployment. Now we can study a small case of a farmer, Gayatri. She has only 2 hectares of unirrigated land. She has depend only on rain for her cultivation. She cultivating crops like jowar and red gram. In her family, 5 members are there. These all 5 members are working in the field throughout the year. All these members are not necessary in her farm, but they did not get any chance to do work any other sector. So they were forced to continue their work in their plot. That means all the members of the family could not do their complete effort for the cultivation. So they were unable to use their potential energy in cultivation. This is the best example of disguised unemployment. Suppose a landlord hires 1 or 2 members of the family or Gayatri's family to work on his land. Do you understand? Now 1 or 2 members are going to do work in a landlord land. Now Gayatri's family is able to get some other additional income. These 2 members went out for the work. Then also there is no change in their field. That should not affect the production of the crops. But you can understand, in this field, 3 members are enough to do work. They can continue their production same level. 2 members can go out and can continue their work. Here you can understand that instead of 3 members, 5 members are working. But production is same. Such a way, if you see anywhere, that is called disguised unemployment. Like Gayatri, lakhs of farmers are there in our country. That means these people are unable to search their job in another sector. Because of that, they are continuing in agriculture sector. It is making disguised unemployment in our country. Understood? Other sectors also we can see disguised unemployment. For example, in secondary sector you can see thousands of casual workers. Casual workers are not permanent workers. They are also the best example of disguised unemployment. In service sector you can see the painters, plumbers, repair persons, like that people who are doing odd jobs. They are the best example of disguised unemployment. And also you can see street. They are pushing the cart or selling something in the street. These people also are the best example of disguised unemployment. See children, here you can see 2 pie diagrams. One is belong to 1973-74 and the second one is belong to 2017-18. These two pie diagrams showing that the share of employment from different sectors. Once you can observe these pie diagrams and find out what are the differences you can observe from these two pie diagrams. 1973-74, you see agriculture. You can see in a light green color. Agriculture sector provided 74% employment opportunities. But industry sector only 11%. Service sector 15%. Come to 2017-18, agriculture sector 44%, service sector 31%, industry sector 25%. What did you understand here? Agriculture sector still now become the largest employer. 1973-74, it has provided 74%. 17-18, it just reduced to 44%. See again, industry sector 11, 17-18, it increased to 25%. Service sector 73-74, 15%. It has increased 31% in 2017-18. See, you can see one more pie diagram, one more pair pie diagrams. That also showing that the share of GDP from different sectors. See next two pie diagrams, just you observe it. These two pie diagrams are showing that the share of GDP, share in GDP from these three sectors. See 1973-74, agriculture sector provided 43%, service sector 35%, industry sector 22%. 2015-16, agriculture sector 19%, industry sector 28%, service sector 53%. What do you observe from these two pie diagrams? Agriculture sector, you know that 1973-74, it has 43% share to the GDP. 2015-16, it provided only 19%. See previous pie diagrams, there you can see employment, opportunities provided by agriculture sector in 73-74, 74%, 2017-18, 44%. Even though 44% of people worked in agriculture sector provided only 19% share to the GDP. This is a very pathetic condition you can observe from these two pie diagrams. Next see industry sector 22, 73-74, only 22%. But 2015-16 it has increased to 28%. Service sector from 35% to 53%. Now you can observe that the service sector is providing the employment opportunities lesser than other sectors, especially agriculture sector, and contributing high share to the GDP. This is the main concept you can observe from these two pie diagrams. Children, one more thing you can observe from the service sector. The service sector, two kinds of employees are working. First sector, you can see the skilled and qualified workers. That means they are highly skilled and educated workers are working. Other side, highly low class people. They are not educated but skilled in their work. Example, small shopkeepers, repair persons, transport persons, like that people also we can see. Both skilled and unskilled as well as educated and uneducated people, both are working in the service sector. Okay children, here I am stopping this video. You can hear the video and try to rectify your doubts, and also you have to complete your CW and send to me. Thank you.